The Tata Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate group of companies headquartered in Mumbai.
Established in 1868, it is India's largest business conglomerate, with products and services in over 160 countries, and operations in 100 countries. During the cotton boom in Bombay triggered by the American Civil War, Jamshedji Nusserwanji Tata and his father became involved with the Asiatic Banking Corporation. However, when the market declined, the firm faced significant financial difficulties.
In 1868, the family's fortunes improved substantially after securing a share in a profitable contract to supply the commissariat for Napier's expedition to Abyssinia. Throughout his career, Tata remained focused on four major aspirations: establishing an iron and steel company, building a landmark hotel, founding a world-class educational institution, and developing hydroelectric power. 1868 to 1937. Edit.
In 1870, with 21,000 rupees capital, he founded a trading company. Further, he bought a bankrupt oil mill at Chinchpakli and converted it into a cotton mill, under the name Alexandra Mill, which he sold for a profit after 2 years. In 1874, he set up another cotton mill at Nagpur named Empress Mill.
During his lifetime, in 1903, the company opened the Taj Mahal Hotel at Colaba waterfront as the first hotel with electricity in British India.
After Jamshedji's 1904 death, his older son Dorabji Tata became chairman. Sir Dorabji established the Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO, now known as Tata Steel, in 1907.
Marking the group's global ambitions, Tata Limited opened its first overseas office in London. Following the founder's goals, Western India's first hydro plant was brought to life, giving birth to Tata Power. Fulfilling yet another dream, the Indian Institute of Science was established, admitting its first group of students in 1911. 1938 to 1991. J.R.D. Tata was made chairman of the Tata Group in 1938. Under his chairmanship, the assets of the Tata Group grew from $101 million to over $5 billion. Starting with 14 enterprises, upon his departure half a century later in 1988, Tata Sons had grown to a conglomerate of 95 enterprises. These enterprises consisted of ventures that the company had either started or in which they held a controlling interest. New sectors such as chemicals, technology, cosmetics, marketing, engineering, manufacturing, tea, and software services earned them recognition. In 1932, Tata founded an airline, known as Tata Air Services, later renamed Tata Airlines. In 1953, the Government of India passed the Air Corporations Act and purchased a majority stake in the carrier from Tata Sons, though J.R.D. Tata would continue as chairman until 1977. In 1945, Tata Motors was founded, first focused on locomotives. In 1954, it entered the commercial vehicle market after forming a joint venture with Daimler-Benz. In 1968, Tata Consultancy Services was founded. 1991 to 2024.
In 1991, Ratan Tata became chairman of Tata Group. This was also the year of economic liberalization in India, opening up the market to foreign competitors. 11. During this time, Tata Group began to acquire several companies. Tata Group bought Tetley in February 2000. After that, it acquired Chorus Group in 2007. The next year, the company's subsidiary Tata Motors launched the Tata Nano, presenting it as the world's most affordable car, and acquired Jaguar and Land Rover from Ford Motor Company. In 2017, Natarajan Chandrasekaran was appointed chairman. He was instrumental in restructuring business verticals and increasing promoter stake ownership in companies. Under his leadership, the group made acquisitions through insolvency law and investments in e-commerce, expanded its airline business by winning a bid for Air India, and completely bought Air Asia India. He has mentioned the future strategy is to focus on healthcare, electronics, and digital. Tata-owned Air India got approval to acquire AirAsia India nearly 2 months after putting forth the proposal. The Competition Commission of India (CCI) approved the acquisition of the entire shareholding in AirAsia India by Tata-owned Air India.